we're gonna grill a whole chicken. Why? Okay, because I did this recipe. I was home with just one kid and they ate the whole damn bird. One helping and then another. There was this really great broth at the bottom. It was so satisfactory that I keep going back to that well, and I thought, you know what? You might wanna do it too. All stuff you have at home except for the chicken. Unless you have one, that's your business. If you wanna take care of that, let's grill a chicken. And think. Why do we fight these every time? I'm never gonna use it. Oh well, live with the Swiss and me. Update, this is 2 lemons. So far, doesn't this look like a very good idea? Now we have to spatchcock the lady, and I'm sorry about it. I highly recommend asking the butcher in your grocery store to spatchcock the chicken for you, but if you haven't, and if you've never done it, the breasts stay intact. You want the back. Ideally, have sharp scissors. If you're me, yes, so. Good job. Definitely don't look, but save this backbone in the freezer for the next time you make broth. Okay, stock, broth, whatever you want to call it. Say that it's got lots of good stuff on it, but not to look at right now because it's gross. This doesn't feel very friendly either. You're gonna have to break this sternum, I'm sorry to say. Helps if you score it. Oh, I did it. We take our friend here and we get even more personal. Excuse me, ma'am. Make yourself nice little pockets. Get in there. Be not afraid. A little pocket there and a little pocket here. This whole spice mixture from Melissa Clark and New York Times Cooking. I double the spice mixture because I like it so much. It's gonna sit all day and we'll come back and we'll grill it up. And I'll show you, it's delicious. Thank you. Even though I am using a gas grill, forgive me, I'm blind. One side had turned off and the temperature had gone way down. You always have to check your chick. You can't just leave it here on its own. It was 100 degrees hotter. Why? Why? You really did. Very, very tricky. You see that this is very good? 3 minutes. Isn't she pretty? I love you. She smells so good.